Morning all. Well, it's another new day, so let's have a look at some new items that have just come in. So, a couple of quick ones, small articles we'll go through. This is, since we haven't been able to get hold of the Easy Line rigging thread and things like that, we have picked up from a brand called Uschi, or whatever they like to pronounce it, a series of like Easy Line, stretchable line for things like that. There's different thicknesses. It is stretch line. It comes on a little bobbin, so there's quite a number of them. There's different, as I said, different sizes. They're mostly all black, so if you're looking for non-coloured ones, I don't have anything at the moment. Whether they're going to do it in the future or not, I'm not sure, but they're quite good. As I said, they're in stock now. There's quite a bit on each roll. I think it's 45 metres. So I reckon you've got enough rigging there to do quite a bit of stuff. So they're in. Also, just back in from Xtradecal, if you've got the 48 scale Tiger Moth and you want to do a couple of Aussie ones, that's the sheet that we've had a little before, but it covers 2 Australian aircraft, a South African one and another British one. There's the Aussie ones there. So if you want to do up the colour scheme and another Aussie ones, then go for that. The kit is still available. Now, a couple of new brands that we've got come in recently. This is a company called H2K. These guys actually take other people's kits and they do new decals and things like that, or re-release different ones. This, we've had a few in. This is the Hurricane. This is actually Hasegawa's kit, released again, which hasn't been around for some time. So this has got Polish markings in it and another British marking. The kits are basically exactly the same. They just have different markings. Sometimes if there's a requirement for another part, they might throw in a bit of resin or whatever. So that's that one. There's also, which is the Avenger. Now this is a really, really nice kit. If you're looking for a good Avenger in 72nd scale, this is probably the one I'll go through. It's the Hasegawa kit. The detail is really, really good. I've built 2 or 3 of these and they're just lovely kits to build. So if you want to do a base Avenger, then I'd be looking at one of these. So again, that's H2K. Another new one that we've just sort of been getting into a bit further. This is a company called Arma Hobby. They're also doing all sorts of things, but these are their own kits. We've had a few in already and we've sold out of a couple, but this is the Hurricanes. They've done about 7 different Hurricanes. So there's Hurricane Mark 1s, there's Hurricanes Battle of Britain. This one is Hurricane 1 Tropical. They've done a Mark 2. This one actually contains markings for the Australian one. So if you're looking to do a 72nd scale Aussie one, it's got in a green scheme and also in the silver scheme. So you can sort of, as I said, do an Aussie one. As I said, these are their own kits. They're quite nice. The decals are good. The basic kit layout is all pretty good. The sprues for the different things that you need are all separate. So they've used a sort of like a basic kit and then gone from there. They've done, as I said, there's about 7 of them. There's a Royal Navy one. Doesn't have the hook. It's just a standard Navy schemed aircraft. So so they're not bad. These are really nice. They're a little bit more expensive than your average Hurricane kit, but the fact that they've the detail on them is really, really good. The other one we've got in, these have been released by Stransky, but KP have also done them. I believe they're the same kit. This is just another, this is in the KP range. This is the R44 Military. Covers 4 different schemes. I think there's Estonia and Poland and Mexico and somebody else. So if you're looking to do a military schemes one, there's that one. If you're looking to do another civilian one, there's that one. This one has Czech Republic, Japan, United Kingdom and Germany. So there's another set of schemes in that if you want to play around with that, if you're looking for that version of it. So that's what I've got to show you at the moment. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. See you then. Bye.